Want some food? Here, I'll help you get it out. No? You're missing. Here. You ate 2 pieces of bread on the way here. Did you know that? No, gosh, not the whole piece of bread. It causes a panic.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, because you threw a whole piece of bread in there. What'd you do that for? Like here, I brought a couple goldfish for you to put in there. Here, have a couple of goldfish put in there. Kenzie, why'd you throw the whole bread in there? Huh? Kenzie, why'd you throw the whole bread in there? Are you not speaking?
Oh, look.
There's the white one waiting. Oh, look at that white one waiting for something. Look at the duck. Look there, look.